In this tutorial, we will connect 3 workspaces into one navigation path, moving from a building to an apartment and then to a detailed kitchen view. Start by creating the main workspace. Add the building image and name it. Because this is the first level, leave Parent Workspace empty. Next, create the apartment workspace. Add the floor plan and select Building A as its parent workspace. Create the final workspace, Kitchen, and set apartment A18 as its parent. The 3-level hierarchy is now complete. Parent Workspace defines where each view belongs in the hierarchy. WP InSpot uses these relationships to generate the breadcrumb navigation correctly. It does not create the clickable connection between the images. To create the first clickable connection, select the apartment zone in the Building A workspace. Set the zone type to Nested Workspace, then choose apartment A18 as the destination. In the apartment workspace, select the kitchen icon and configure it in the same way. Set it to Nested Workspace and choose Kitchen as the destination. On the front end, visitors can now move from the building to the apartment and then open the detailed kitchen view. The breadcrumbs update automatically as they move through the workspace hierarchy. Breadcrumbs show the current position and let visitors return directly to a previous level. The back control returns to the workspace that was open just before. Breadcrumbs and back navigation can be adjusted in the WP InSpot settings. You can change how the navigation is displayed or disable it completely when it is not needed. Parent Workspace defines the hierarchy, while Nested Workspace zones create the clickable connections between views. Together, they let you build clear image-to-image navigation from a general view to a specific detail. Visit WPInSpot.com for more tutorials, documentation, and practical examples.